Hi friend, today I am going to present a case of heterozygous achondroplasia. This is sometimes hereditary and most cases of dwarfism are caused by genetic mutation. And generally parents of the baby are of normal height. This is a case of 31-week pregnancy. You see 31, head comes about 27 week and the AC comes about 28 week, but the femur length comes about 22 weeks. All the limbs are short. The FL AC ratio is already increased. This is bell-shaped chest. Chest is small, and abdomen is distended, protruded out, and this foot is 5.47 centimeter. The femur and foot ratio, the foot femur ratio is 0.68, and if it is less than 9.9, it goes in favor of heterozygous skeletal dysplasia, and if it is between 1 and 0.9, then it goes in favor of this IUGR. This is bell-shaped chest, small chest, so most of the fetus dies with pulmonary features of pulmonary hypoplasia, so they die with hypoplasia of lung. Femur tibia is small, fibula is also small, radius and ulna are all very short bones. Fetal heart, it is active, so fetus is viable. This is placenta. This is baby face, looks sometimes somewhat normal from front, but there is skull anomaly. This is nose, lip, eyes, forehead. These are the fetal limb, short limb. These are the fetal limbs. This is hand. This is a small video clip showing fetal face. Small chest, bell-shaped chest. Thoracic ratio is reduced as compared to abdominal ratio. This is the short, this is the short bone, lower limbs. These are the lower limb bones, short. Foot is big as compared to other bones. This is the radius and ulna. This is humerus, short humerus. This is the hand. Fetal heart, stomach, three vessels card. Thanks friend, this is all about heterozygous achondroplasia at third trimester. I request you to subscribe my channel. Thanks friend.